In this video, we'll see how we can create homepage and design homepage in Shopify. Let's go. Online store, that's very important. It is the main view that will look on front end. Okay, whatever that display on front end, it will be managed from here. Click on customize. Now here there is a very basic themes that we have added. Now there is one thing. First thing you need to know. There are some free theme that is available from Shopify. You can add directly from here, or you can purchase theme and add here. Like currently, you can see add theme, upload zip file. You can download the zip file of theme and upload here. Or either you can even purchase theme from Shopify library. You can go on visit theme store, and if you want to purchase or you can use free. Now we will use default theme and customize it. Okay. Now we will go one by one. First, here, if you want to show banner, slider, whatever, you can click on add. Here you can add slider. Very simple. Slide so here we see slider. Here you can add slider like slider images, whatever images you want to add. Here we see select images and you can display it. Very simple. This is for slider section. You can add heading and you can remove adjusting as per your requirement. Like don't want to text and growth. It's a styling thing that you can see and check. This is first section will be banner. Now after that you can here display product. Why here you can say feature product. Heading size large. You can display all the products. Then after that, if you want to display collection, you can here you can see search collection list and all the collection that you have created will be displayed here. Here you can see manage heading collection. Featured product collection. Now suppose you want to add some, sorry, this very basic view, very basic homepage, nothing much more. Now suppose after that you want to add a image banner where you want to highlight something like that. Here we image banner. Then after that what we will add? We will add a want to show blog post, you can add it here. If you want to show some more product, like suppose I don't want to show blog post, I want to show some more product. You can show feature product or you can say featured collection. Here, here I have created an overview. Nothing much. This is a very basic overview that how you can manage create homepage in Shopify. Very simple. They're very simple and forward. Nothing much more. We'll go on advanced view and customization later. Okay. Now suppose you want to add about a section like this. You can add about a section here. So we have created a basic view for our website. This is, I think this is enough for homepage. Now suppose we want to customize header and footer. For the header, here you can see there is announcement bar option and header. From here, you can manage everything. Menu, I will show you from where you can add menu content. Now, you can see this is very simple. Add to cart, everything is here. Now we'll go on footer. So here you see footer option. Go on add block. Here you can add menu. You can add brand information. Here you can add some text. And there you can see email sign up. If you can click on here and you can change the background of footer from here. You can see from here just going to color schema and you can manage color schema from setting and color. From here you can easily manage it. From here you can manage layout, product bill. I will go on detail in this later. That's how very simply we can create home page and customize in Shopify. Very simple. Nothing much more fancy, nothing much more. Simple homepage for starting a store. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.